Bulk up sauces and keep them from getting so thick and clumpy because it stays under heat for a while. More on the technique side, like you're serving in a truck or a restaurant. Cool, we can figure this out. Now we make the mac. Yeah. That person would be weird. I don't know if it's in the containers, you know, with the cheese on the top. First and then wrap it and steam it. Yeah. You've had them like that when they get all nice and gooey. Of like the biggest cheese. Doing pretty good if I only lost one. It won't be the only Catholic in it. They like our food because the lettuce is still really cold, the cheese is really cold, so it's like a deli sandwich. Everything is nice. Yeah, they're popular.
Did you first bite? He was like, he said like it, like there's something different about it.
It's bits. Adds an extra flavor to it. I'm glad he likes it.
Yeah, Colin said they're.
I had to hear that because I was trying to improve it.
Oh.
So I'm glad that this is working out better.
So, he doesn't.